Hello guys, in the series of C programming, today I am going to show you how to write code for double linked list. Double linked list. For creating linked list, we will create one lab with the header file, including library file. We are creating one structure uh, with one node, and we will initialize the variable data and the node with previous and the next, because in double linked list I already told in one of the lecture about how the double linked list is. One, there is a previous and there is one next, and in between there is a data. So for that we created node struct node. After that, this is the structure we created for one linked list. After that we will create one node, right? So for creating new node, what we will require, we will require one head, because for every node we have one head. So by pointing that head, we can transfer from one node to another node. So we made the first node as with head, and we will add data with there. Okay, and after that we will create new node. So so we will write a struct node new node, and with how we will create new node, we will use struct node malloc. We will use malloc for dynamic allocation of memory, and we will calculate after that size of struct node. And we will check the condition if new node is not null. If it is new node is not null, then we can insert the value there. Then we will print the value memory alloc. If it is not null, then we will print memory allocation failed. If it is if it is not, then we can proceed with the next value. So the new node is created with the help of create node. So in the new node, first uh, in the head part, the first part, we will put the data value, and in the next part, there is only one node, so nothing connected is so in the next we will initialize it null, and the previous we will initialize it as a null. And after doing this operation, we will return our new node. So this is the creating one single node. The one single node we will create it with the previous and the next, and with the head with data. After that, we will insert the another node at the beginning of that new node. So like that, we will uh, insert two or three or four, whatever the node we require, and that will be insert one by one. Okay, so we will do wide insert at begin. We can insert by end also, because it is double linked list, so we can insert from anywhere. So we will insert at the begin. So what we will require, the head and the data, and with the help of new node, and again we are creating new node, and using this create node method, how the node is created, we not need to write again and again. So we will call this create node, and by this create node, the another node will be created. And the same process, what we will do, a new node of next. The new node we created, this next we will point to the head of the previous node, the present, so that the new node is get connected to the previous node. And after that, I can show you by picture also what I already told in the previous lecture, or I will show. Wait. Double link list. See. Huh. So I'm showing how I'm inserting. So the same method is I am following. So new node of next, the new node is created. Next will be point to the head of the previous, head of the previous. This will new node of next will connect to the head of the next. Here it is connected, and after that new node of previous will set as a null, new node of previous is set as null, so it will again connected. After that we will do some free of, after that this head will connect it to the previous, and then after that we will free the head, this one. And and the new node of previous is null, and if we check if head is not null, then head of previous null, head of previous is will connect it to the new node, head of previous will connect it to a new node, and after that head will point to the new node, so we'll assign new node with the head. So like that we can insert one node, one two three four five node, like one by one, one by one. Okay. And like then we inserted the beginning, and after that we inserted everything is done, and now we want to do print the list, whatever the node created, we will print whatever the value is present with this. So how we will print? We will we will use head, and we will use one temporary variable, so that it can transfer from one node to the other node, one by one it will transfer to the one node to the another node. So so we will print, and we will firstly point the head to the temp, then struct node temp is equal to head, we pointed the head to the temp, and after that we will check condition while temp is not null, it should be not null. If it is null, then it will not work. If it is not null, then we will put in temporary whatever we have taken. We will put the data where is temp taken. It's not another method. So we will put in temp the data, and we will print the data whatever the data is present, and we will move the temp one by one, where temp is equal to temp of next, and after that we will print null, the last thing. If it will not print the last null, then it will the last will point, the last node will be as a free, it will move free, so it can cause some memory violation. So for that we have to do null the last node. So in the main function we will print all the head value, where we are doing print list of the head. So firstly we will do head is equal to null firstly, because if we'll not do head is equal to null, it will take any garbage value, it can take any garbage value. So we will insert at the beginning, or we will insert at the head 10, any value we want to insert, then 20, then 30. I have created three different head, so and stored 10, 20, 30, three values, and then after that we'll print the head. So after that it will print double linked list. There is, so that's all for today, and in the next video I will write the code in front of camera, and will compile the code, and we'll see the output it get printed. So for any query, please do comment, and please guys like and subscribe my channel, so it takes a lot of effort to make such a video. So for any query, please comment on the comment box. Bye.